I simply reject the idea that tourists come to Belfast to go to Asda, Sainsbury's, or Tesco's. People come here because of our history, because of the storytelling about that history that has gone on through film and TV over recent years. They come because of our success in TV and film production. Things like Game of Thrones have helped to put Belfast and Northern Ireland on the map. They come because of the warm welcome we offer people, and because of our culture and arts offering. Those are the reasons people come to Belfast, and I don't think having Tesco's or Asda or Sainsbury's open earlier is going to change that for people coming to visit the city. I think council's approach in refusing to enforce the existing rules will set an unfair playing field, an unfair advantage for small businesses and for workers, and it wouldn't surprise me if this ended up in court. I think it has a really damaging potential impact for small businesses on our arterial routes as well, because the people that's going to benefit most are going to be shopping centres and what we would describe as being out of town retail. And I think we have to ask the question for small businesses on the Falls Road, and the Ormer Road, or the Antrim Road, on the Newton Ards Road, and Shankill, wherever. Where are they going to be whenever these larger retailers are able to open earlier on a Sunday? And the impetus then is for people to drive, to take their cars, and to go to out of town retail rather than to invest or spend time in the local neighbourhoods. I think absolutely, and I think Osdod made that point very clearly last night at Belfast City Council. We have seen feedback from Osdod that their members believe they're already being forced into working on Sundays for the existing hours that are open for major retail. And I think despite the claims from Alliance and Sinn Féin that workers' rights will be protected, I think actually what we will see is a coercive sense that workers should have to work for these extra hours on Sundays. I think that happening at the same time as the executive is introducing the Good Jobs Bill is counterproductive. And again, to do it on May Day, on International Workers' Day, I think totally is a slap in the face to particularly low paid retail workers who already feel pressured by employers in so many situations